Laphuma ilanga, laphuma ngobukhazikhazi, ngokuqhakaza, ukukhazimula, kukhala indaka, iluncumo nenhliziyo ezidade emafutheni kubazana kusapho. Laphuma ngicinga kuzokhanya kanti akuzibakho tshintsho, siseza luxovo lidaka. Namaphupha ayazaliseka nsuku nansuku, ayakhula ayaphucuka kodwa kunzima bafezeke. Ndiyakhekheleza ndifuna ukuphuma kobumzima, ndibangazibona ndifikile enqanaweni kanti kulapho wandakhona ndikufumana ukuthula. Ewe ndayiqonda ba uhlala uhleli eduze kwam, kodwa ingabe unsiseleni kulo mhlaba uba ndizobuthwala obunzima. Dreams disappearing but dreams always appearing. Failure, nightmares is all I see. At night I hardly sleep. My heart is always racing, my mind is facing obstacles. Am I dreaming or not? Is this a dream or a curse? Am I sleeping or awake? Yazi ngathi ndingahamba nabelo uqaqaqa, ndihambe ndibe nokuthula, uxolo ngaphakathi, ndihambe ndibe nothando, ndikhuphe inzondo ngaphakathi. Ngathi ndingahamba ndibuye ndingenazono. Cause have you ever viewed yourself more but see yourself less when talking about certain things with particular people? Have you ever pulled those socks up and feel great but still see no change and begin to feel discouraged? Have you ever saw yourself in the right place, correct time, but you with the wrong people around who want to see you down? Spiritually dangerous. They make you want to run, but you still have that parent to make proud. Born with the peace, happiness, knowing nothing. Now you're grown enough. As you go up, the journey becomes higher. Negatives, positives, obstacles start to make you realize this is a real life, not a lie that you compromise with friends outside in that circle full of fixed minds. You are asleep, you are awake alone in this huge building. It's hard to face the consequences. You begin to want these pills, substances that could take you another state of mind. Because when you're on your sober senses, you feel lost in a world full of wild animals. You make that one day need, now you can't live without it. We all once took a path we thought was right, instead it made our lives hard and not see the way out, because when getting in we were blind.